Amazons are among the best talking parrots in the world. They are active, bossy, and hardy birds. Many species of Amazons are moderately good talkers and whistlers, while some are especially good at speaking phrases. Speech of an Amazon is clearer than that of the African gray parrots. Among the talking Amazon species, yellow-napped Amazon happen to be the best chatterer. They tend to become one-person birds and aggressive towards others. They like to bite everything and everyone they see, but some owners of Amazons claim that their birds do not bite them at all. With some special efforts to make them people-friendly, Amazons are capable of becoming tamed birds.